Tecno has done it again, copying iPhone designs. They gave us the Tecno Pop 8, which had the design of iPhone 14 Pro Max. Now they have released the Pop 9, which exactly looks like iPhone 15. Anyway, the phone is a budget beast with great features and the only budget phone that is IP rated and has 120Hz refresh rate. This phone is very much ahead comparing it with Infinix Smart 8, Pop 8 or even the Itel A70. This phone offers a great value for your money. If you are looking for a device that packs a punch without breaking the banks, you are in the right place. Let's get into it. First off, let's talk about the design. The Tecno Pop 9 comes in two stunning colors, Star Trail Black and Glittery White. Both options give the phone a sleek and modern look, perfect for those who like their tech stylish. But it's not just about looks. The Tecno Pop 9 is built to withstand elements, boasting an IP54 rating for water resistance. So whether you are caught in the rain or dealing with a little splash, this phone has got you covered. Moving on to the display, the Tecno has really stepped up the game with this one. The Pop 9 features a 6.67-inch hole punch display with smooth 120Hz refresh rate. That's right, 120Hz on a budget device. Whether you are scrolling through social media, watching videos or playing games, you will enjoy a fluid and responsive experience. The resolution of 720 by 1600 ensures clear and vibrant visuals, making everything look great on this large screen. Under the hood, the Pop 9 is powered by T615 processor. It is paired with either 6GB or 8GB of RAM with extended RAM option that gives you an additional 3GB or 4GB respectively. This means you will get a smooth multitasking experience even with demanding apps. Whether you are browsing the web, playing light games or streaming content, the Tecno Pop 9 won't let you down. Now let's talk about the camera. On the front, you have an 8-megapixel shooter with dual flash, perfect for selfies and video calls, even in low light. On the back, there is a 13-megapixel main camera with dual flash, ensuring you get bright and clear shots every time. While it's not a high-end camera setup, it's more than capable for everyday photography, social media, and capturing memories on the go. Battery life is a crucial factor, and the Tecno Pop 9 delivers with a 5000 mAh battery. This should easily get you through a full day on a single charge, whether you are working, streaming, or gaming. And when it's time to recharge, the 15 watts fast charging via Type-C port ensures you are back up and running in no time. For the audio lovers, the Tecno Pop 9 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with dual speakers and DTS sound technology. This means that you are getting a louder, clearer, and a more immersive audio experience. Whether you are listening to music, watching videos or gaming. Tecno has also packed in some cool features to make your life easier. The Pop 9 comes with a side fingerprint sensor for quick and secure unlocking. It also includes a infrared remote control features, so you can control your home appliances right from your phone. Plus, with wet and oily touch control, you don't have to worry about using your phone in less than ideal condition. When it comes to storage, the Pop 9 offers plenty of options. You can choose between 64GB or 128GB of internal storage depending on your needs. And with extended RAM feature, even the 6GB RAM variant feels faster and more capable than ever. So there you have it, the Tecno Pop 9. It's a budget-friendly smartphone that doesn't skimp on features, from its impressive 120Hz display and a solid performance to its capable camera and long-lasting battery. The Pop 9 is definitely worth considering if you are on the market looking for a new device. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel to never miss out on any of our tech content. Thanks for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.